Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
You can also move and resize selected controls in a form or report that's displayed in Design View. You may want to do this if the controls aren't large enough to display the field data, or if they're not in the desired place on the form. When you select controls, you'll notice that 7 small black resizing squares will appear around the border of the selected controls. To resize a selected control, move your mouse pointer over the handle that represents the direction in which you would like to resize the control until you see a double-pointed black arrow. At that point, click and drag to resize the selected control or controls. You can also move selected controls. This allows you to pick up a control or a group of selected controls and place them into another part of the form. To do this, move your mouse pointer over the border of the selected control or controls, but do not put it over one of the resizing squares. You'll know you're in the right position when you see the mouse pointer turn into a small black hand icon that looks like it's grabbing. Click and drag on the border when your mouse pointer looks like this to move the selected controls or control. When they're in the desired position, release the mouse button, and you'll drop the controls wherever you drag the mouse pointer. Now, when you add controls to a form or report from the field list, they always appear as a little paired control. One label control at the left, and one text box control at the right. This means that in addition to the actual data field at the right, there's also a label with the field's name paired with it. When you select one of the paired set, you select the other as well. Whatever actions you perform on one part of the pair is performed on both. So if I move the data field, the label comes with it. But sometimes you want to move one control without moving the other. The handle that you use to move a single part of a paired control is the large black handle which appears in the upper left corner of the selected controls. If you put your mouse pointer over this large black square, it will turn into a small black pointing hand icon. At that point, you may click and drag to move the individual control independently of its partner, and then release the mouse button to put it in a new position.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.